All right, hello everyone. So it's 3/9/2021, and we're gonna go over the market today. Today, very nice day in the market. I discussed Palantir and Digital Turbine yesterday. Big bounces on those. We'll talk about that. We had a nice reversal day on the Nasdaq. Spy still had a pretty good day, really good day. So right now, I think that we're going to start seeing. I think people have been out of the market for the last few weeks, maybe even a month, on these kind of tech hyper growth stocks, and I think we're going to start seeing an inflow of more buys um, coming up now that we can see a clear reversal is on the table, and I think that the continuation will follow in tomorrow for my three biggest holdings, which right now is Ark, Digital Turbine, and Palantir. So let's go over one by one. Let's talk about. We can look at the Nasdaq. These are just futures. So, yeah, we had a nice grinder all day. It doesn't show any weaknesses. It looks like we passed by 12,500 very well. I think the next target that we can hold is definitely 13,000. That's a big mental number for us to push back over. And then 15,000 is a huge one as well. So let's go back and let's look at APPS. I did make a lot today. I did have. Okay, so let's put this on a 5 minute so we can really see this time frame shape up. Okay, so we'll zoom in today. We'll go. Okay, so we're up 15% today. It looks like we're up a little bit in after hours. I had my buys yesterday in the 65, so I was a little bit out of money. Towards the later part of the evening. Today we had a nice bounce up. After hours we gapped up. 62 to almost 65, nice little gap up, and we had a nice continuation all in today. I like to see that in after hours. We're starting to nice price action. We're going back up. So, I wouldn't be surprised if we had another solid day tomorrow with APPS. I know that there's a couple key levels that we need to break in here, and let's identify those. So I think the first key level is going to be 75. Okay, if we can break 75, looks like our next one's going to be, it looks pretty solid after 75, all the way back up to 100. So this is a long-term stock. I'm looking, in a couple hundreds, a couple year hold for me. So yeah, great bounce back day today. It looks like, on all these days we either started out really bad and recovered, or we just had awful days altogether. So it was nice. We had a gap up and we followed through, which is going to show a clear reversal pattern for me. Let's look on the 1 year, 1 day. Let's see how that candle looks today. Nice. So it's not something like a hammer you want to see, but it is a, we did move up our price all the way down 61s to 64 on the gap up, and we continue to push that up. It would have been nice if we had closed above 75, but for me it looks great. It looks like if we can reclaim this breakout line, this trend line is crossed across the whole chart. If we can get back up into the 77s, honestly an 80 break is going to show that we are still holding our 200-day SMA, and we should be on track. So lovely stuff out of this stock. We can talk more about it later. Let's go on to Palantir. This had a weird day. Okay, a great day, but there's a couple key levels that we need to break. So we'll just start off on the 1 day. This honestly was a reversal candle for me coming in, and this is our first green candle in quite a long time. So nice reversal, looking like it's going to happen on this. Let's look at the 1 minute and see how we did today. So, yeah, we gapped up nicely this morning. Same thing, continuation, double top, possibly. I think we should push back that. Kind of a nasty double top. It's nice that we're climbing in after hours. But if we can, I've said this for a while now, if we can break Palantir past 25, if we can break 25, we're going to be in a positive uptrend. And I say that it's a big price level, just a mental price level, and we can see that once we're at 25 looks really bullish to me. So hoping 25 will hold. Now let's look on this. This is a really good thing to look at too. Let's just let's do a quick Okay, so I'm drawing these lines. This is price action downwards, and that's the trend. Once it breaks out of it, we usually are going to see upwards. Same thing kind of with the bull flag, but so we did break through that resistance gap level, and we did follow through with a few candles. So very good coming out of Palantir, up 7% on the day. I did make some good money on that. I think I'm in Palantir at about 23. So yeah, great day for Palantir, APPS. Looks really good. I know Arkk had a strong day as well. I still think Arkk is going to shoot back up. Not Park, Arkk. Sorry for the sound. Okay, so Arkk, yeah, wow, we hit 123. Very nice. Wow, it's doing really well on after hours as well. We have a cup and handle possibly forming on the 1 minute. Could break out a little bit after hours. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I mean, looks like we're up close to 12% today. I have my average right now is a 120, so it was nice to get back into the money on this. I think the 1 year is going to show a clear reversal again. So yeah, clear reversal to me right here. That is a clear reversal. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit our new, I think that 140s is where this thing should be. So I would like to see some continuation up to 140, consolidate around there, and we should be good to go up to our next leg. So looks really great for me so far. All these stocks are performing well. If you're not in, I think this is a clear reversal. Let's if you want to get in, put 50 position size in, 50%, and maybe average if it does go down. Typically you want to average up, but save some of that extra buying power. Use it over the next week and kind of get your average cost basis a better mean. So yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow's continuation. I did end up taking a little bit off the table on Arkk. I did average down quite a bit yesterday and the day before, so last Friday. I didn't really want to have that much in, so I did take some off the table in profit, which was nice, and I think I'm going to swing that over to Digital Turbine. That's my highest conviction play right now, and I would like to have a lot of my capital into that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I think we should have a nice continuation follow through tomorrow, and yeah. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like, and if you want to see a different ticker or something else, just let me know. I'd love to go through that. RSI in the 1 year did dip over low. Good to see. So have a good one. I will make another video soon. Have a good one.